So mga Totski, good morning. So today is Saturday, July 18, 2026. So we're going to Municipal of Ireland. So we join annual charity by DB Cycling Club. So a little bit drive from Lorgan to Ireland, but maybe like 30 or 45 minutes, something like that. So 100 kilometer runs, 100 kilometer spin yung gagawin namin ngayon with Ian, Joe, and Jared. So ayan, nandito na si Joe. So ayan, mga Totski, and good morning. So ayan, update kami. County Music Festival. Now here, DB Cycling Club.
Oh, but you're in the, my name down as your contact.
Yeah. This Filipino. Ayan, may mga Pilipino. Hello sir, morning. Ayan mga kabayan natin. Taga Munugan kayo ba?
Unahan kayo?
Hindi, taga Northern Ireland.
Unahan kami dyan.
Smash! Sarap! Hopefully.
Sweet.
Say hi from holiday. Wow, lovely. So we are here now and I forgot this place. So stop over na kami para mag-kupein. Tapos na sila sa loob, mga kasama namin. So may mga Pilipino tayong nakilala, no? Taga Mulughan. Pero tumakbo sila ng 50 kilometers lang. So 100k yung tinakbo namin, yung club namin. So prepare ka ba, baka magkita-kita kami mamaya doon sa meet up point. So kausapin natin sila, no? Ayan, Dogma and Trick.
I'd say there's about 40 gone through anyway.
Leos Enry Caban Dublin.
Don't you be taking this me, Neil, right now, like.
Judith is flying. So very heavy. Yeah, done. 100. Oh, there's one. Yay! After a long spin, I'm done. DB Cycling Club. So, kain-kain mo, no? Tapos naming mag-rides. Tapos may yung 100 kilometer. So, let's go. Foods. Route.
How do you know? Oh, yes, 100.
Wow.
Quick up there.
So yun mga Totski, natapos na din kami. So we're going back now to Northern Ireland. So nandito kami sa drone hub. So thank you DB Cycling Club for your nice and smooth sportive for this year, for the next year again. Bye bye.